So paying with Venmo on Uber Eats is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can pay with Venmo on Uber Eats. So for that we will go to our Uber Eats application, and here you guys can see I'm at my Uber Eats application. Now here you just have to tap on this account section, and here you just have to tap on this wallet section. Now here you guys will be able to see that I currently don't have any money in my Uber Eats account and I want to add the Venmo. So I just have to click on this add payment method, and here I have to click on this credit or debit card. Now here I will be able to add the Venmo's credit or debit card that I can create simply by going to the Venmo's application. In the card section, you will be able to apply for a virtual card as well a credit or debit card. So you just need to get a card, and you need to put all the information of your card right here. This screen should be blank. I don't know why this screen is blank, but it gets blank in the recording for some security purposes. So you just need to add your credit card's information in that screen. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Venmo with Uber Eats. Hope you guys find this very helpful.